So this is going to be a video on about how to replace the marker tip. So you can see this marker tip, I have been using it for nearly 4 months. I hope it is visible. So now I will replace it with a new one, new better one. So here we can store one nib in here. Let me take it out. So in order to remove the nib, the reMarkable tablet has a tool. So let me take it out. So using this we can remove the marker tip. So let me see. So we just hold it right here and just hook it and then pull it out. Yes, so let me show you the new tip and the old tip. So here you can compare the old tip and the new tip. The old tip has considerably worn out. I have been using it for 4 months. Even if the layer above wears out, you can still use it for writing. The only issue is that sometimes the nib may become sharp, and I am worried that it may scratch my tablet. Okay, so in order to place the nib, just push it back in. And then just press it lightly. So yes, so it's right back on. Now let me place my new tip in this. Yes, so it's working fine. Thanks for watching.